Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer BNB from Tangem Wallet to Uphold in 2025. If you're holding BNB on your Tangem hardware wallet and want to move it to Uphold for trading or staking, you're in the right place. This process is simple, secure, and can be done in just a few minutes, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have your Tangem wallet set up and connected to your device. You'll need the Tangem app installed on your phone or computer, and of course, an Uphold account with your wallet address ready. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a popular cryptocurrency, so transferring it properly is key to maintaining your fund's security. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your Tangem app and unlock your wallet using your PIN or biometric authentication. Navigate to the BNB asset in your portfolio. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Generate or copy your Uphold wallet address. Log into your Uphold account, go to the deposit section, and select BNB. Make sure you're using the correct network, like BNB Smart Chain, to avoid any errors. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Step 3. Back in the Tangem app, select the Send or Transfer option for your BNB. Enter the Uphold wallet address, specify the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction fees. These fees can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that. Step 4. Confirm the transaction on your Tangem device. You'll likely need to approve it directly on the hardware for added security. Once done, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. This usually takes a few minutes, but it could be longer during peak times. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your BNB to Uphold. Remember, in 2025, crypto landscapes might evolve, so stay updated with the latest guidelines from Tangem and Uphold. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.